This is a rant about life. I'm not overspending or lack future value. Neither is anybody in my fucking generation. I am tired of hearing that Gen Z is overspending on every fucking thing, and they lack planning for their future. They don't think about their future. This they keep on spending money and shit like that. I'm just honestly tired of it all. Everybody is complaining that we spend so much money on experiences, living in the moment, and in concerts and going places to travel and shit like that, and that we take loans and EMIs to go travel and live in today. I understand that some people are concerned about it. Some people are, I don't know, people are concerned about it. Some people don't like it as much, or I have no idea what some other people's problems are. But what I don't understand is why do people keep judging us about it? It's fine if I don't want to do something about it, let me be, right? Why are people so annoying, and why are they judging us for not having a secure future or whatever the hell is secure future in their mind? Because I have no idea what is a secure future, and I think nobody in my generation has any idea कि secure future actually में होता क्या है. Like, I'm not saving enough, baby. I'm not earning enough to save. I have no money. What should I save? जो मेरे पास 100 रुपये है उसमें मैं कुछ खा के खुश हो जाऊँ तो इट्स बेटर अदर देन वही 100 रुपये बचाओ और फिर वो उनकी वैल्यू कम हो जाए, एंड फिर उस 100 रुपये की पहले पानी पूरी आनी थी, अब उसका पानी पूरी बिना है, राइट? पीपल आर कॉन्स्टेंटली hovering to save to buy for their houses, especially for somebody who is in mid 20s now like me. You need to buy a house, you need to get your shit together. I don't want it, and even though, no, it's not that I don't want it, I want it, but there's no hope for me, guys. अगर मैं, चलो अब तो मैंने जॉब छोड़ दी है, अगर मैं 9 to 5 करके 30,000 रुपये कमा के 35,000 रुपीज़ कमा के, डू यू थिंक आई एम गोना सेव इनफ कि मैं दूसरी सिटी में रह भी लूँ, अपना खर्चा भी उठा लूँ, एंड आई ऑल्सो सेव इनफ कि मैं एक घर खरीद सकूँ? दैट्स नेवर गोना हैपन. And honestly, owning a house is not the same as it was when our parents were, trying to buy a house, or when they were young like us. Even even not it's not even same as it was 20 years ago. 20 साल पहले तक भी लोग हंसी खुशी एक इनकम पे पूरा फैमिली जी रहा था, and they were still buying stuff, they were still buying houses, cars and stuff like that. पूरे घर का सारा सामान they were purchasing, unlike us जो फर्नीचर भी रेंट कर रहे हैं. What's the point in hating us? We are not the problem. And honestly, when people keep telling me to plan better, that's not going to happen. That never happens. What do you guys mean to plan better? I have no idea about it. Honestly, we are not stupid. We are just realistic at this point. At least we get to live in a moment कि अगर आज मैं I am sitting somewhere on an ocean and drinking my pina colada, that's making me happy, then that's important, right? And do you think I'll buy a house in the money जितना money में मैं vacation ले रही हूँ? No, right? So at least I can get a vacation out of it in this life of mine. कम से कम मैं ये तो बोल सकती हूँ कि yes, I was on the beach and I was sipping pina colada, I had the time of my life. I have no idea, man. मेरे पास अपना रेंट देने के पैसे नहीं है. If somebody wants to give me money to pay my rent, please DM me Instagram पे. Bye. One last thing. I'm not reckless. I'm not reckless. My generation is not reckless. We are just living in the moment. we are not killing ourselves to buy something which will be of zero value. कल धरती खत्म हो जाएगी, पता भी नहीं चलेगा.